Looking for the top 5 dual dashboard cameras to enhance your driving experience. Dual dash cams offer front and rear protection, ensuring safety and evidence in every drive. In this review, we'll showcase the best models with top features, reliability, and value, helping you choose the perfect dash cam for your needs. Number 1. GMAIPOP Dash Cam. Capture every moment of your journey with a cutting-edge dash camera that delivers exceptional clarity and reliability. Featuring an ultra-high-definition 4K front camera and a 1080p rear or inside camera, this dual dash cam ensures that no detail is missed, from road signs to vehicle plates. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens on the front and 160 degrees wide-angle lens on the rear reduce blind spots, offering comprehensive coverage for both day and night driving. Equipped with advanced HDR technology and a 6-glass lens system, it produces crystal-clear recordings, even in low-light conditions, by minimizing glare and reflection. Control and manage your recordings effortlessly with the free smartphone app compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Access live streams, adjust settings, download videos, and share your adventures directly to social media. This versatile camera offers flexible installation options, allowing you to monitor either the vehicle's interior or its rear, catering to your specific needs. Safety is a priority with features like a G-sensor for collision detection, which locks crucial footage as evidence. The 24/7 parking monitor provides continuous surveillance with time-lapse recording, ensuring your vehicle is protected even when parked. Loop recording automatically overwrites older files, so you never run out of storage space. Though it requires cables for power and connectivity, the built-in Wi-Fi enables quick access to footage and settings whenever needed. Combining high performance with user-friendly functionality, this dash cam is your reliable companion for every drive. Number 2. ROVE Dual Dash Cam Front. Capture every moment on the road with unparalleled clarity and precision using this state-of-the-art dash cam system. Equipped with dual-channel recording capabilities, it simultaneously records in stunning 4K UHD resolution for the front and 1080p Full HD for the rear. A wide-angle lens, 150 degrees for the front and 140 degrees for the rear, ensures comprehensive coverage, making it ideal for documenting your journeys and providing valuable evidence in case of incidents. With advanced SONY STARVIS 2 image sensors, both cameras deliver exceptional video quality, even in low-light conditions. The front camera's f1.5 aperture and rear camera's f1.8 aperture maximize light capture, producing vibrant and sharp footage during nighttime or challenging lighting scenarios. Stay connected with ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi that allows seamless access to recordings via a dedicated app. Share videos effortlessly or manage settings directly from your smartphone. The built-in GPS provides real-time speed and compass readings on a vibrant 3-inch IPS display, while also stamping location data onto your recordings for added reliability. Designed with advanced technology, this dash cam includes a free 128GB micro SD card, motion detection, G-sensor for sudden impact recording, and seamless loop recording. It supports storage up to 1 TB, ensuring you never miss a moment. Number 3. Otovoda Dash Cam. Capture every moment on the road with unparalleled clarity and advanced technology. This dual dash cam system records in stunning UHD 4K resolution from the front and Full HD 1080p from the rear, delivering crisp and detailed footage that makes license plates and road signs easily identifiable, whether day or night. A wide 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear viewing angle minimize blind spots, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your surroundings for ultimate peace of mind. Enjoy seamless connectivity with built-in Wi-Fi and a smart app, enabling effortless access to real-time video, playback, and downloads directly from your smartphone. The companion app, compatible with both Android and iOS, lets you share your scenic drives and cherished memories with just one click. Equipped with state-of-the-art night vision technology, this dashcam excels in low-light conditions. An ultra-large f1.8 aperture, advanced HDR, and WDR ensure vivid and detailed recordings, even in complete darkness, enhancing safety during nighttime drives. Designed to protect your vehicle around the clock, the parking monitor automatically detects collisions with its G sensor, locking critical footage as evidence. Continuous loop recording ensures you never run out of storage, while time-lapse mode provides extended surveillance with minimal power usage. For optimal performance in parking mode, a Type-C hardwire kit is required, not included. Number 4. Kingslim D4 Dual Dash Cam. Capture your journeys with unparalleled clarity and precision using this advanced dual dash cam, designed to elevate your driving experience. Featuring simultaneous front and rear recording capabilities, it delivers Ultra HD 4K resolution for the front and Full HD 1080p for the rear. This setup ensures every detail, from license plates to road signs, is captured with stunning clarity. With a 170-degree wide-angle front lens and a 150-degree rear lens, both crafted with 6-layer glass and fixed-focus technology, you're guaranteed maximum road coverage and enhanced night vision for sharp, clear footage in any lighting condition. Stay in control with the convenience of app connectivity. Easily link the device to your smartphone using built-in Wi-Fi and the dedicated app, compatible with both Android and iOS. This feature allows you to playback or download videos and adjust settings directly from your phone. A built-in GPS module adds another layer of functionality by automatically recording your route and speed, ensuring you have all the necessary data at your fingertips. To achieve optimal GPS performance, activate the feature in an open area. Engineered with a SONY STARVIS sensor and a HiSilicon processor, this dashcam excels in low light conditions. Paired with an f1.8 aperture and wide dynamic range (WDR) technology, it guarantees exceptional performance even at night. Whether it's for daily commutes or long road trips, this device provides peace of mind and comprehensive documentation of your travels. Number 5. REDTIGER Dash Cam. Capture every detail of your journey with a high-performance dual dash cam designed to deliver superior video quality and functionality. Recording in stunning Ultra HD 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, it ensures crystal clear footage of road signs, license plates, and other crucial details. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens in the front and 140 degrees in the rear significantly reduce blind spots, offering comprehensive coverage in unexpected situations like collisions, making it an essential tool for reliable evidence. Engineered for exceptional performance in all lighting conditions, this dash cam features advanced night vision capabilities. Its f1.5 aperture lens, coupled with a 6-layer glass design and HDR/WDR technology, captures vivid and detailed footage even in low light, ensuring no important moments are missed during nighttime drives. Stay connected and in control with built-in Wi-Fi and a smart app. Seamlessly link the device to your smartphone to view, playback, and manage videos on the intuitive app. Download and edit clips, or share your favorite moments with friends and family with just a tap, making it ideal for preserving travel memories or sharing road trip highlights. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.